Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 8th, 2024, and we're looking to go down with QQQ on bar open.
Order fill.
If the price doesn't break through the 495.75 area, we'll punch out if it comes down to that area.
Order fill.
And there's a 75-cent drop, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we were a little bit late, so if we were on time, we would have got that full dollar, and we're coming down to the point of control. So you can see that 3 times the price dropped to that level, and it reacted very violently off of it. So that was another point of why we decided to pull profits early. So with all that being said, let's cover what happened and why we took this trade setup. So we had an inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H with slingshot, 555, inverted H, lightning to the downside.